Welcome traders to my channel. In today's video we'll talk about Tesla. Based on the daily and weekly TPO analysis, I will show you what levels are in play right now. Of course, we will talk also about technical analysis. And main question, are we coming back to $440 or shall we go lower to at least $330 and even lower? My name is Mark, welcome to my channel, and please subscribe, comment, and tell me what you think about such content. Let's start with the weekly TPO. TPO is time price opportunity. This is the market profile, but instead of volume, we analyze time. How much time is spent for the specific stock at the specific price level. As you can see, from beginning of February, we are slowly falling down from week to week as our value area is within the previous value area and we are slowly going down. So what levels are in play right now? For the upside continuation, based on the TPO analysis weekly chart, our naked PUC is here. This point control was left for us on the week February 9th at the level of $423.90. It's important for us to go there if we want to actually see the stock going higher. Why is that? Because such point of controls acts like a magnet. For example, at the end of the January, we had naked PFC left for us at the level of $434.45. And in 2 weeks' time, we came almost to that level, a little bit higher. For Tesla stock, 2 points move is not a big move. So it was almost perfectly played. So that's why it's important to mark such levels. Other big targets for the upside continuation would be our point of control left for us at the $486.10. Please keep in mind that. But if we lose the value areas that we are holding right now, sorry for that, the next target for the weekly basis for the swing trades that will last at least few weeks from here, most probably even more than 1 month, the level would be $347 and $334.90. Those are main take profit targets for such longer dated trade. On the daily basis, daily TPO analysis, we have a little bit different story. Because right now, for us, in order to believe that upside continuation could happen, we need actually to come to yesterday's point of control. This was $397.50. Once we actually go there, then our target would be to cross finally $415.70. Why is that? Because this was important point of control for us that played several times and actually was not able to cross. Once we do it, then the gate opens and we go higher to at least $447 based on the daily TPO analysis. So keep in mind such take profit targets for the upside move. And of course, as I told you, here is the weekly chart for the technical analysis. As you clearly see, we have the big monthly level that was tested several times, just a little bit higher than we are right now, $386.40. This target is important for us to hold if we want to believe that this stock will actually go higher. But if we lose it, then we go lower. And based on the technical analysis, the other big, huge level based on the weekly chart would be $334. And this actually corresponds with our daily and weekly TPO analysis. So please keep in mind that if we are not able to hold the areas that we are holding right now, then based on the TPO and technical analysis, the main target would be to visit $330 area. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this was interesting for you.